Alright guys, we got this guy. I didn't even have enough time to record on time.
Ahí está, ya se lo quitaste.
Mhm.
¿Lo vas a agarrar?
Es que...
¿Lo vas a agarrar y lo vas a aventar para atrás?
Sí.
Ay, está muerto, ¿verdad?
No.
Está vivo todavía.
Sí, sí. Alright guys, we're gonna toss it back. Ahí está, Eras.
¿Vas a agarrar otro acá? Ahí agarras otro, ¿no? No, que sea el mismo. Ay, que sea el mismo. Y que sea el mismo. Ahora si agarras tú uno, ahí sí, ahí está agarrando uno.
Alright guys. Let's see what's on this one. Might be another cat. Yeah, that's another one. All right. There's another one, guys. There we go.
Ahí se murió.
No, ahí está, se fue ya.
¿Ya se fue? Se fue bien rápido.
Are we on? I guess we might be on. I don't know what it is, but let's see. Oh, I don't know what that is. Is that a catfish? I think it is. It is low one. It's a little catfish. The cat wants it. No cat. Let's put it in there. Oop, there it is. He popped off himself. Oh, I love that. I love when they pop off themselves. Don't gotta really deal with it. There it is, little catfish. Let's throw them out there, guys. Let's throw them back out there, but this is how we're gonna do it. Oh, sorry about that little guy. There he goes. Oh, it's small. We got it. There we go. This is gonna be the smallest fish ever. You know, feels very weird. Does feel like something is on now. What is that? For once, a little bluegill. A little sunfish type of thing. Got a little guy right there. Just let me be careful with the hook. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Little fish. That's perfect. Ahí está otro. There he is. There he goes. Yep. You have a good one.